is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. So guys, before I go on, I want to show you the items that I will be using as I continue to talk to you about this video. And those items should appear right up there. Today I am participating in an open collaboration, and the hosts are Penny at Penny's Lifestyle Living and Anna at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And they have two co-hosts, and it is Simone at Creation by Simone and Denise at Denise Glam Style Living. And for the month of July, we have two that's celebrating their birthday, and that is Simone at Creations by Simone and Manula at Makeup Therapy. Wishing you a happy birthday, and we pray that you will have many, many, many more. And my video will be entitled, How to Decorate a Console Table Using White, a White Affair July Birthday Celebration. Okay guys, so I have shown you the items that I will be using, and so as of now we are going to head over to the console table in which I will be decorating. Okay, see you there. Okay guys, I am going to go ahead on and decorate this, and I am going to let you see them as I place them on the console table. So you will see every piece that I put on this table, okay? And so I'm not going to do much talking, but I am going to let you go ahead on and watch this and listen to some music as you watch me work. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let you take another look at this. And of course, that's that beautiful starburst mirror there. Okay, and I'm going to let you see if I'm going to try to show you how it changes colors when the sun hits it. Can you see those nice sparkles in it as the mirror reflecting off of the sun? Yes, she's a cutie. I like that mirror, guys. I will have that around for a while. Okay guys, so I thank you guys for hanging out with me, and if you have not subscribed, or if you want to be notified each time when I upload another video, guys, go ahead on and hit the subscribe button, and that way you will be able to hit the notification bell, and it will notify you each time when I upload another video. And guys, leave me comments, because comments help my channel grow, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, so when you finish watching this video, go on over and watch all of the other creators that participated in this open collaboration. And once again, I would like to thank Penny at Penny's Lifestyle Living and Anna at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and her co-host Simone at Creations by Simone, and Denise at Denise Glam Style Living. And once again, shout out to the birthdays for the month of July. That's Simone at Creation by Simone and Manella at Makeup Therapy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.